Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Today we are diving into the timeless trend of polka dot summer dresses. Polka dots are classic pattern that never goes out of style and they are especially perfect for summer. Whether you are heading to a picnic, a garden party or just a casual day out, or polka dot dress can add a touch of playful elegance to your look. Let's explore the different ways you can style polka dot dresses this summer and why they are must have in your wardrobe. Starting with the most iconic combination, the black and white polka dot dress is a staple. This classic look can be dressed up or down, making it incredibly versatile. For a casual day look, pair it with the white sneakers and a denim jacket to elevate it for an evening out. Switch to strappy black heels and add some red lipstick for a pop of color. The monochrome palette is timeless and effortlessly chic. Summer is the perfect time to embrace bold colors, and polka dots are no expectation. Look for polka dot dresses in vibrant colors like red, yellow, blue, and green. These bright dresses are sure to turn heads and add a fun, cheerful vibe to your outfit. Pair a polka dot dress with neutral accessories to let the dress be the star of the show. For a more romantic and feminine look, opt for flowy polka dot dresses with ruffles, pleats, or tiered skirts. These dresses are perfect for a summer date or a garden party. Soft pastel colors like blush pink, baby blue, and lavender can embrace the delicate feel. Pair these dresses with dainty sandals and a woven straw bag for a dreamy summer look. Polka dot dresses are not just for short, flirty styles. Midi and maxi lengths can add an elegant touch to your summer wardrobe. A midi polka dot dress is perfect for a sophisticated daytime look, especially when paired with block heels or mules. Maxi polka dot dresses are ideal for beach outings or summer evenings. Add some bohemian flair with layered necklaces and wide brimmed hats. Wrap dresses are a flattering style for many body types and they look stunning in polka dots. The wrap design cinches at the waist, creating a beautiful silhouette. Polka dot wrap dresses are perfect for both casual and formal occasions. Wear a wrap dress with espadrilles for a laid back look or with stiletto heels for a more polished appearance. Off shoulder polka dresses are perfect for showing a little skin while staying stylish. This style is great for warm summer days and adds a flirty touch to your outfit. Pair an off-shoulder dress with statement earrings and a cute clutch for a fun and trendy look. The off-shoulder style is both comfortable and fashionable, making it a summer favorite. Polka dots have a nostalgic feel that can be perfect for vintage-inspired outfits. Look for dresses with classic cuts like A-line, fit and flare, or T-length styles. Accessorize with retro sunglasses, a beaded handbag, and kitten heels to complete the vintage look. Vintage inspired polka dot dresses are perfect for themed parties or simply adding a touch of old school glamour to your summer wardrobe. Don't be afraid to mix polka dots with other patterns for a bold and unique look. Stripes, florals, and even animal prints can complement polka dots if styled correctly. The key to keep the color palette cohesive and choose patterns that balance each other. For example, a polka dot shirt can look great with a striped top if the color matches well. This trend is for the adventurous fashionista who loves to experiment with her style. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of polka dot summer dresses. Polka dots are the playful and versatile pattern that can be styled in countless ways. So have fun with it and let your personality shine through. We hope you find inspiration and ideas to incorporate this timeless pattern into your summer wardrobe. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Bye for now. See you in the next video.